Militer Rusia merilis informasi terbaru operasi militer khusus di Ukraina, Kamis tanggal 28 Juli. Juru bicara Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia, Letnan Jenderal Igor Konasenkov mengatakan serangan presisi tinggi yang diluncurkan pasukan Dirgantara Rusia ke posisi tempur pasukan Ukraina di dekat Topolinoye, wilayah Kherson, mengakibatkan hilangnya kapasitas operasional Batalion Brigade Infantri ke-60 Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina AFU. Lebih dari 130 prajurit unit ini telah dieliminasi selama 24 jam terakhir, kata Letjen Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur. Secara total, 260 pesawat dan 145 helikopter, 1.625 kendaraan udara tak berawak Ukraina dihancurkan sejak awal operasi. Juga 359 sistem rudal pertahanan udara, 4.172 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 764 kendaraan tempur yang dilengkapi peluncur roket ganda, 3.207 meriam dan mortir artileri lapangan, serta 4.515 unit militer khusus peralatan telah dihancurkan selama operasi militer khusus, kata Igor. Dari kubu Kyiv, Kemenhan Ukraina merilis 160 prajurit Rusia dieliminir dalam sehari. Total 40.230 tentara Federasi Rusia tewas sejak awal konflik hingga hari 155. Ukraina kian percaya diri mengusir Rusia dari tanah airnya setelah mendapat bantuan amunisi dari negara-negara barat termasuk Amerika Serikat, Inggris, hingga Jerman. Konflik Rusia-Ukraina memasuki hari 156 hari ini, belum ada tanda-tanda berakhir.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. The enemy is suffering considerable losses. High-precision air missile attack launched by Russian aerospace forces at a provisional base of the 72nd Mechanized Brigade near Artyomovsk has resulted in the elimination of up to 70 servicemen and over 5 armored vehicles. High-precision attacks launched by Russian aerospace forces at the combat positions of the Ukrainian troops near Topolinoye in Kherson region has resulted in the loss of operational capacity of a battalion from the 60th Infantry Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine. Over 130 servicemen of this unit have been eliminated just over the past 24 hours. On July 25, during their withdrawal from Pokrovskoye in Donetsk People's Republic, the rests of the 15th Battalion from the 58th Mechanized Infantry Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces came under hail of fire and resulted shot by militants of the 118th Territorial Defense Brigade deployed in the second echelon near Bakhmutskoye. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery continue launching attacks at the military facilities in Ukraine. The list of neutralized targets includes 9 command posts, including one of the 68th Chaser Infantry Brigade near Pavlovka in Donetsk People's Republic, the 53rd Mechanized Brigade near Malye Sherbaki in Zaporozhye region, the 28th Mechanized Brigade near Posad Pokrovskoye in Kherson region, as well as 173 areas of manpower and military equipment concentration. 6 munitions depots have been destroyed near Seversk, Paraskovyevka, Konstantinovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Ternovka and Zhovtnevoe in Nikolaev region. Su-35S multifunctional fighter of the Russian Aerospace Forces has destroyed one Ukrainian launching ramp of S-300 air defense missile system near Kramatorsk. Within the counter-battery warfare, 2 Uragan MRLS batteries have been neutralized at their firing positions near Krasny Oktyabr, 1 Grad MLRS battery and 1 Msta-B artillery howitzer battery near Seversk. In addition, over the past 24 hours, 5 D-20 artillery gun platoons and 9 D-30 artillery gun platoons have been neutralized near Opetnoye, Andreevka, Severnoye, Novomikhailivka, Velikaya Novoselka, Vodinoye, Georgievka and Krystyshe in Donetsk People's Republic, Kulbakino, Pribuzhye and Dobroye in Nikolaev region, as well as Svetlichnoye and Staraya Gnilitsa in Kharkov region. Russian air defense means have destroyed 3 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Kamenka in Kharkov region, Yasinovataya and Stara Mikhailovka in Donetsk People's Republic. Moreover, 2 projectiles launched by Olha MRLS have been intercepted near Makeyevka in Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 9 projectiles launched by Uragan MRLS near Chernobyevka in Kherson region, Topolskoye, Kharkov region, and Stara Mikhailovka in Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 260 airplanes and 145 helicopters, 1,625 unmanned aerial vehicles, 359 air defense missile systems, 4,172 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 764 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,207 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 4,515 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.